Buckle-down unisex adults lanyard 1. 0 vintage Chevrolet Bowtie since 1911. Stars keychain, multicolor, 1 size US. 100% nylon. Made in US. No closure. Hand wash. Buckle-down lanyard, Chevy. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. I love the design of this lanyard. It's well made and seems to be durable so far. It's about 1.5 feet long and is stretchy. The stitching by the ring is doubled up for more durability. Only one side has the picture and the other side is black. Overall, I am very happy with it. Very nice lanyard. I used it for my keys since I am always misplacing them. It makes it easier to find them.